Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at a leaked armor set coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so we have a new armor set that is leaked. It also includes a relic, and there is also a leaked mount that we are going to be looking at, so let's go ahead and look at those. Alright, so first off we are going to be looking at the mount. This is what it looks like. I assume this is probably going to be coming in the treasure track, and that is because the treasure track season is going to be called the Moonlight Dance treasure track, which this is a moon, so I assume it's going to be the second mount that we are going to be getting in this treasure track, because so far we have only had one leaked mount for it. And then here is the spine for it. It seems like we're just going to be standing on top of the moon, and then there's going to be a shadow. There's nothing that we're going to be standing behind. So yeah, this mount looks like it could be pretty cool. Now, we also have a few pets that we have to look at, and these three actually look pretty similar to the armor that we are getting. So this is the first one. This is supposed to be a Saplette line variation. So it kind of just looks like fire. You can see that it has like flames up here, and then it has red eyes. And then here is the spine for it. I assume this is the body, and then the rest of it is just like yellow flames. And then here is the second evolution for it, so I think this is arboreal. Yeah, this looks pretty cool. It's a little more visible. And then here's the spine for it. It looks like we're going to be getting some like orange or green leaves coming off of it. And then here's the final evolution in the chain, which this looks so cool. I really like how it looks. And then here is the spine for it. So I assume this is the body, this stuff's going to be part of the head, and then maybe these are going to be arms or something. And then moving on into the items, or I guess we're starting off with the hat. This is what the hat looks like. This is number 267, yeah. So this looks super cool. And then here you can get a better look at it. This is what it's going to look like when you're wearing it. And then we also have a wand for it. This is also number 267. Icon weapon 267. So this is what it looks like. And this is what it's going to look like when you're wearing it. And then we also have some boots for it. This is what they look like. And then the boots don't look like they're going to be very cool when you're actually wearing them. This is supposed to be the left boot for it, which this looks pretty boring. And then we also have this armor, which looks super cool. It kind of sort of looks like a sun on the neck area. And I really like how it looks. And to top it all off, we also have this relic, which sort of looks like it has a ruby in the middle of something. I'm not sure why the two newest relics that they have made both don't seem to be in HD. This one sort of looks pixelated. The Lucky relic sort of looks like it's pixelated as well, so I don't know why they're doing that. Now, I think that this stuff is going to be very cool. I think that the pets and the armor could be related in this some way, because they do look sort of similar. The only thing that I do think that could make that not true is the fact that I sort of think that this could be a Dragon Isle set just based off of how it looks. The crown or hat looks very similar to something that I'd kind of imagine with the Star Drake helmet, just slightly different. And the wand sort of looks like it could be something from Force Drakes or something like that. And the armor sort of looks like it could be from one of the physical sets as well. So I'm not 100% sure what these are going to be for. It could just end up being one of these annoying deals that's going to cost Magicoin. Sort of like how we have exclusive deals here. And if it does come in this place, it will cost Magicoin, which will be sad. But yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, and bye.